5 tips to become rich. 1. Set financial goals. 2. Develop saving habits. 3. Invest wisely. 4. Acquire knowledge and skills. 5. Be persistent and patient. Setting short-term financial goals gives you the foundation and the confidence boost that you'll need to achieve the bigger goals that take more time. These first steps can relatively help to create a roadmap to achieve it. In order to develop a savings habit, we need to create a budget. Reduce expenses, avoid impulsive spending. Allocate portion of your income to savings and investments. Set up automatic transfer to a separate account. In order to invest wisely, we need to study various investment options. Instead of investing in one place, need to diversify investments to mitigate risks. Seek professional advice from financial advisors if needed before making any decision. In order to acquire knowledge, invest in yourself. Acquire new skills that enhance your career prospects and earning potential. Stay updated with industry trends. Attend workshops and seminars to explore opportunities. Building wealth takes time and effort. There is no such thing as overnight success. If you do research, you will find that people continuously worked on their craft for many years before reaching success. Persistent and patient will make you rich.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click on bell icon to get notified.